Yeah, sorry, Ranjit, you're not audible properly.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
No, it seems there is some issue with your headset or mic, that whatever you're using.
So, actually,
That's fine. If you're not able to what to say, resolve this issue, go ahead and put your query in the chat. I'll take it from there.
I have a quick question.
Yeah, Prashad.
Actually, I was going through some of the job opportunities on LinkedIn, and I saw they
Mm-hmm.
were asking REST APIs, C hash, and JavaScript.
Okay.
Like, yeah.
Yeah. So basically, look, Prasad and everyone, like Power Platform is though it seems like it is low code, no code, and it is actually low code, no code, but it is very extensible. So by extensible, what I mean, you can go ahead and if you want to expand the what to say, expand the capabilities of Power Platform, so then you can go ahead and you can write the custom code to expand those. So that's why like the might be the job that you must be looking on the LinkedIn or whatever you mentioned. So it will be Power Platform plus Dynamics developer. It is not a pure Power Platform developer.
Okay, if he's a pure platform developer,
mhm.
then this is
Hello,
not a good.
am I audible?
Yes. Yeah, Mehul, you are.
Yeah, nowadays they are asking for like you have to work on PFA functions and all that.
You have to work on.
PFA, Power Factory, like uh, the coded part in the Power app. Like we have to create tools to code.
PCF you're talking about.
Yeah, PCS, sorry, Power Component Factory.
Yeah, PCF is one of the again functionality to create custom components, custom frameworks.
Which language we required for that?
So for PCF, basically, JavaScript is required, and basically multiple things are required. So the way I will tell you, Mehul, like why PCF is required and why custom connector is required. So in
Okay,
this
okay.
introduction itself, okay. Basically, I just want to discuss all the non-tech doubts now, and then we will get started with the technical stuff. Okay.
Okay.
Anyone else any doubt related to career or like how this course will be helpful? No one? Okay. So in that case,
Hey,
yeah, Mehul.
hello.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
can I get the QR code in the starting of the screen you are showing?
Starting in the starting, Mahesh was sharing the screen. So Satish, do you have the QR code with you?
Yeah, I have, but I logged in my mobile. That's why. Okay, take my number. I will add him in a WhatsApp group. Mehul,
Okay. Yeah,
hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
yeah. So,
Not
so
my number.
yeah. Yes, it is.
Can I tell?
Yeah.
8951
Okay.
7851
Okay.
23.
Okay. 8951785123.
Yes.
Okay.
895178
51
5123.
23.
So guys, this is the contact number. So Satish is one of the team member. So you can go ahead, ping him. He will go ahead and add you to the WhatsApp group of the free students. Okay. And once you will enroll, there will be new WhatsApp group in which you will be getting added, where all the enrolled student will be there for your batch. Clear? Cool. So, Mehul, like answering your question, like regarding PCF. So PCF is nothing but it is known as Power Apps Component Framework. So for that, you will be requiring multiple stuff. You have to write the C#.NET code, then TypeScript, all those things you have to write. Okay. And then like you will be able to create a custom component. So now, like there are other ways also to create custom components. Okay, in Power Apps, that is called as uh that is exactly called as custom components only, custom component framework. So like we will be discussing it in very detail because now we will be starting with Power Apps only, right? So let's get started, guys. So then whatever doubts you have, we can take it at the end. Okay, can we get started? Can I get a quick yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Indra.
Cool. So, guys, welcome back to KSR Data Vision. And the people who are joining it for the first time, welcome to KSR Data Vision. So, we will be working on Power Platform today, and this is the first preview session of Power Platform. So, what we will be seeing today is, let me move to the agenda. So today, like it will be very, I would say, informative session on Power Platform. What Power Platform is. If you have any doubts in this, all these things will be covered, and you will be getting answer like what you will be getting from us, where we can help you in Power Platform to build your career, what you can expect from this Power Platform course. So all these things we will be discussing today. Okay, and then you can go ahead and ask as many questions as you have for this Power Platform or this course that we will be offering you. Okay, so let's start. So, guys, how many of you have seen Office 365 products? Can someone tell me what are the Office 365 products?
Yes. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook.
Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and it is created by which organization? Amazon?
Microsoft.
Microsoft. Okay. So it is created by Microsoft. Basically, Office 365 product is nothing what it is a family of various business applications which will solve various business problems, right? Word is for documentation, Excel is for creating spreadsheets, right? PowerPoint presentation is for creating colorful presentations, right? Outlook is for emails, isn't it? So similarly, Microsoft now has launched another set of business application under Power Platform, which will help you solve various business problems. So now Power Platform has which applications? First thing first, it has Power BI, then it has Power Apps, then it has Power Pages, then it has Power Automate, it is Automate, then it has Power Virtual Agents. It is now called as Copilot Studio. Okay. So Power BI, you must be knowing already, right?
Yeah. Okay.
So
For
what Power BI solves? Which business problem it solves?
so mostly for data analytic for creating dashboard.
Data analytics, right? Or data visualizations, right? Correct? So Power Apps, with the help of this, you will be able to create business applications, correct? And with the help of Power Pages, you will be able to create websites. With the help of Power Automate, you will be able to create automations. And with the help of Copilot Studio, you will be able to create chatbots. So now, guys, think of any, I would say, business solution around you. So it will be requiring what? It will be requiring all this stuff only, right? It will be first thing first, it will be requiring a front end. So front end can be created using Power Apps, business application, or Power Pages if you want to create website. Then second thing, what it will be requiring? It will be requiring automation, right? Like suppose user is doing something, if you want to do some automatic calculations and emails, so then that problem will be solved by Power Automate. And if you want to go ahead and embed chatbot in your implementation, like if you have seen, how many of you have seen HDFC website? HDFC guys?
Yes.
So there is a chatbot there called as Eva, right? Have you ever interacted with that?
Yes.
So suppose we are building HDFC website. Website will be built by Power Pages. Then chatbot you can build with this, and any kind of automation you can build with this. And if you want to get the insights, like how many people interacted with your website, how many people have submitted the forms, so all these things you can be done with Power BI. So now one important thing that is missing here is like where you will be storing the data, right? As of now, I have not told you the storage solution. So with Power Platform, the database that comes out of the box is called as Dataverse. Okay. Previously, it was called as Common Data Service. Okay. Now it is renamed to Dataverse. Cool. So now let me, sorry, go ahead. Someone was trying to say something.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
Actually, I mean, Dataverse is just, I mean, related to Azure or something. I mean,
No, it is not related to Azure. It is the out of the box data source provided with Power Platform, part of Power Platform, data storage solution. This is for data storage. Okay,
okay.
cool. So clear, guys, how many products are there in Power Platform?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Cool. So now let's go one more level deep, how these products are further divided. So Power Apps are further divided into two categories. First thing first, Canvas apps. Then you have
Model driven.
model-driven apps. Very good. Okay. Then Power Pages is fine. Then Power Automate is again further divided into two categories. Power Automate Cloud Flows and desktop flows, right? Now, what are these two different types of business applications? Okay. So these two different types of business applications are Canvas apps and model-driven apps. So how they are different? So we will be seeing it in lot many detail and technicalities, how they're different in the course. But now for this thing, you can keep one thing in mind, like Canvas app is UI driven. Okay. And model driven apps are data driven.
Okay.
Okay. So what it means, like if you want to have customized UI as per your needs, so then you can go ahead and create your Canvas apps. Like, and if you don't want to have customized UI, your main focus is to manage the data. So then you can go ahead and create your model-driven apps. So you can keep these two things in mind for Canvas and model-driven apps. Cool. So now cloud flows and desktop flows. So obviously, like these are the Power Automate flow, right? Which is responsible for automation. So now, guys, if you're dealing with the cloud infrastructure like SharePoint, like Dataverse, like SQL Server, like OneDrive, if you want to do any automation there, so in for those kind of automations, you will be using Cloud Flows. If you are dealing with a desktop system or on-premises system and you want to do some automations there, so for that you will be using Desktop Flows. Okay. So this is the entire thing of Power Platform. Apart from that, it has some add-on services also. So what you can do, you can use AI capabilities in Power Platform using AI Builder. Okay. So it will have AI models which you can integrate in Power Apps and Power Automate to leverage the capabilities of AI. Okay. And
Okay.
next thing is like it can be connected with multiple data sources, the Power Platform. Okay. 100 plus data sources are connected directly. Okay. So this is the entire, whatever you are able to see in the screen, this is the entire world of Power Platform. Is it making sense?
Yeah, I have one confusion. I mean, what is the difference between this Canvas app and model-driven apps? I mean, the main difference.
Yep. So suppose you are trying to build a business application where you want to have a UI. Like, let me try to create a screen here. So suppose this is your screen of the app. So you want to have a UI, you will say, okay, KSR logo should be coming here. So here I should be able to see my profile picture of the logged in user. I want to display some message here. I want to display the image of mountains in the background. Okay. So this is kind of UI that you want, right? So if you want to have this customized UI, so in those cases, you will be using Canvas app because in Canvas app, you can go ahead and customize the UI. Okay. But in model driven app, you will not be able to customize the UI. You will get out of the box forms. So you will use that and you will start interacting. Able to relate?
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yep. Tell me.
Like model-driven apps, you told us like model-driven apps are data-driven. So it is Dataverse-driven or any kind of data. Like
Yeah.
model-driven can
So
be based on SharePoint or any type of.
again, I did not wanted to go into that deep, but yeah, these are Dataverse driven apps. So basically, in Canvas app, you can create Canvas app directly on any of the data source, like SharePoint, like OneDrive, like SQL Server, like any data source. Okay. But for model driven app, like you can create model driven app only on Dataverse.
Okay, got it.
Okay. So now if you want to create model driven app on SharePoint on SQL Server, so for that, that is also possible, but that I will be covering in the course how to create that.
Okay,
But by their nature, they are Dataverse driven apps. Okay. Making sense?
Yes.
Very good.
Yeah, hi Sam, having a doubt.
Yes.
So, whether in this course we'll be using AI Builder as well while creating our
Yeah,
projects?
definitely.
Okay, right.
Yes, guys, I'll pause on the screen for 2 more minutes. If anyone has any doubt, please feel free to ask.
I mean, I have sir one doubt that the which is Power Pages mostly for creating a website. So it is, I mean, just like we create website like low code Webflow or framework. It is just like that or something. We have to
Yeah,
write.
you can create low-code websites, Irfan. And if you want to extend the capabilities of your website using custom code, that is also possible.
Okay.
That's why like Power Platform has wide acceptance in the market. Why? Because it is very much customizable. So although you can achieve everything with the help of low code, no code, but suppose you have some requirement where you want to go ahead and customize the stuff. So it provides you that capability. It is not, I would say, close-ended solution. Either it is open-ended solution. It is very extensible. So that's why you will see some job roles in the market there where they will say, okay, JavaScript is required, C Sharp .NET is required. So that also I will tell you what are the different types of roles which are available and how you can go ahead and learn Power Platform. And after learning Power Platform, if you want to go ahead and acquire few more skills to be eligible for few more roles.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But before that, I want all of you to be confident with what Power Platform is, what is there in the Power Platform. Once you are okay with this slide, you can confirm to me, then I will move ahead. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Yeah,
Cool.
everything's clear.
Yeah, Mehul. Okay, is it clear? It was a
Yes.
confirmation or you have some doubt?
Yeah, everything is clear.
Okay, cool. So now, guys, so if you know this entire stuff and with the help of model driven apps, what you can do, you can add JavaScript here and plugin development. Plugin is nothing what this is backend. It will be done in C Sharp.NET. Okay. So then you can become Power Platform plus CRM developer. CRM. Okay. Microsoft CRM. So entire skill set plus these two skills, and you will become Power Platform plus CRM developer. And you must have seen various roles where they will ask you to JavaScript plugin and APIs, right? So that is nothing more. That is Power Platform plus CRM developer. So once you are what to say comfortable with the entire Power Platform, and if you're interesting in this, so you can go ahead, ping me. I will tell you like what you have to learn. So you can go ahead, do the self-learning, and you will be equipped with this. Okay. And the second role which you might see, that is RPA. Sorry, RPA. RPA stands for robotics process automation, right? So this desktop flow is nothing but Power Automate desktop is for RPA. Okay. So RPA has entire different market. Okay. Like for Power Platform, it is low code, no code market. For RPA, it is robotics process automation market. And there in RPA, like there are four tools which are market leaders. That is Blue Prism, UiPath, Automation Anywhere, and Power Automate Desktop. Okay. So this is again different career paths available. But there are what we will be targeting here, we will be targeting here as a Power Platform developer. And guys, if you are if you are targeting a CTC up to 330 or 30 to 35, you don't have to go ahead and learn anything out of this course. It will be very much achievable with this. What if you're already fetching somewhere around 30 LP and you want to go ahead and switch? So then you might need to learn JavaScript and plugin, and then you can go ahead for Power Platform plus CRM roles. Okay,
Okay.
cool. So guys, this is Power Platform and this is about the roles. So now let me move ahead. Let's start with the presentation and let me introduce myself first. First thing first, I've introduced about the course, what Power Platform is. So I am Indrajit Singh, guys. I have around 6+ years of experience in IT industry. I am expert in Microsoft product. When I say expert, I'm working on Power Apps since the link was make.preview.powerapps.com back in 2020 when it was launched, the Canvas apps. And then I am expert in data analytics. I have completed various business requirements for data analytics using Power BI and another stuff. I have created various Canvas and model driven apps also. I'm a certified Power BI and Power Platform developer as well as trainer. I have expertise in banking domain, and similarly, I worked with healthcare projects, automobile projects, food and beverages industries. Okay, and I'm currently working as a lead engineer and striker. I'm a working professional, and I'm currently serving as mentor at KSR Data Vision also. So I have around 3 years of training experience in both online and offline classes. And as I mentioned, I'm a certified trainer also. So this is a quick introduction about me, who I am. I think it is equally important to know like the guy from whom you are learning, right? Cool. So now who can learn Power Platform? So Power Platform can be learned by anyone who hates coding, who don't want to go ahead and write those lengthiest syntaxes, and if semicolon is missing, okay, boom, your code is not working, right? So all those things, if you want to avoid, go ahead and learn for Power Platform. And if you're trying to do a career switch from non-IT to IT, it is, I would say, very good choice. Here, the chances are quite higher as compared to any other technology to get job. So then switching technologies, suppose you're already working on some technology or tech stack and you want to switch to Power Platform, again, you are at the right place for that. And it is good opportunity for fresher also to learn and acquire the skills. And if you are having some career gap, then also it's a good choice. Then if you already know Power BI, if you already know some stuff of it and you are trying to cross skill, so then you can go ahead and learn the Power Platform course. Okay. Then what is Power Platform? That already I have covered with the slide. I guess now you are able to relate, right? It is group of products to develop and build complex business application, analyze Power BI, Power Automate, Chatbot, right? Power BI was launched in 2015, Power Apps 2018, then Copilot, Power Pages, right? So these are all the products which are there. So now what you will be getting here. So to become a Power Platform developer, you should be proficient with Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, Copilot Studio, Power Pages, and we will be preparing you with interviews also. Like there will be dedicated FAQ sessions on previously asked interview questions. Okay. So then there I will be going ahead. I will be asking you the questions and we will be discussing and framing the answers and optimizing it. And after that, like I consider this as a byproduct. Okay, so this is byproduct of all the hard work that we will be putting in here. And the course is designed in such a way, like the main thing is not to get the job. The main thing is to go ahead in the market, crack the job and survive it on your own. Like you don't need any help from outside. Okay. So this is the way the course is designed, because this is my personal, I would say, a personal thinking that cracking a job is not tough. You can go ahead, start preparing for interviews today, give 40-50 interviews. So after 40-50 interviews, you will be getting the same questions only, right? So cracking a job is not difficult. Surviving in the job, your attitude will define there. Okay. So we will be building that problem solving attitude here. We will be getting all the skills which will help you survive in the job and automatically getting the job. I don't feel like there is some issue provided you are following the entire plan. Okay. So next thing is like this is might be you will be having doubt like what are the biggest type of Power Platform certifications available. So after this course, you can go ahead and give this certification because this is a fundamental certification. After this certification is done, you can go ahead and give these certification in any order. PL 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, right? And then once everything is done, you can go ahead and give PL 600 solution architect certifications. Okay, I'll keep it here for a second.
So I have question. I mean, this certification is mandatory after the course we have to do for the job or for recruiter.
Sorry, come again. I
Yeah,
lost you in between.
yeah. I was saying that this certification is mandatory after doing the course. I mean, for the job.
Yeah, for the job, like it is not mandatory, but good to have.
Okay.
Okay. Cool.
Indra, we would do all the certification or any particular certifications we have to do.
Yeah, Vijay, like if you want to go ahead and pursue the certification path, you can go ahead and pursue with PL 900, and then it is on your own discretion, like whichever you want to give. It is
Oh,
not like that you have to have all the certifications with you and then you can go for the job. No,
okay,
not a
so this
prerequisite.
PL is a mandatory, right?
Not mandatory. Like if you want to go ahead and give the certification, you should start with PL 900.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Cool. Now, let's move ahead with the next stuff. So, why Power Platform developers are in demand? So now you must be seeing everywhere low code, no code Power Platform, right? This is I would say the buzzword that you're seeing nowadays around everywhere, right? So why this Power Platform developers are in demand? Because it is growing rapidly as organization recognize the benefit of Aditya, what you're doing. You're playing with this thing, Zoom features. I can see you're using annotations, and that
Yeah,
is as
sorry,
again
actually, by mistakenly done. Sorry.
okay, that's fine. So when I say growing rapidly, so you can go ahead and search on Google about the low code, no code market growth. Everyone go ahead and search this low code, no code market growth. And tell me the percentage CAGR that you're getting there.
It is exceeding 20%.
Yes, it is 20% plus, right? To
Yeah.
be precise, it is somewhere between 25%, right? So, like the market is growing at that pace. Okay. So I think it will be becoming a $1 billion market in few days, in few years, in 20 by 2030. So due to this, like it is why it is growing this much. Because like now you don't have to focus much on the unnecessary stuff like UI and all. So you can go ahead, use the drag and drop functionalities and work on the actual business process to be implemented and streamline the process. So that's why it is in demand. So now suppose you are previously like for all the business applications, what you used to do, you used to create .NET applications, right? Or you will create some other application using Java applications. So when you will use Java, .NET or any traditional languages for business applications, so in that case, there will be various overheads, right? You will be requiring a very skilled developer who will code. Then you will be requiring dedicated testers. Then you will be requiring dedicated DevOps guys. So the entire turnaround time for that was huge, right? So now in Power Platform, you can create the similar application that used to take years in the traditional approach. It will be implemented here in few months, like 2 3 months, right? So that's why people are shifting to this, because everyone want to digitally transformation themselves. So that's why they are using this. And as of now, there is shortage of skilled developer in the market. When I say skilled developer, then what I mean is the people who knows the things end to end, like various all these products that you were able to see on the screen, who knows all these things end to end. And the beauty of Power Platform is you can go ahead and get these products integrated with themselves. By integration, what I means, like if suppose you want to do some automation in the Power Apps, you can go ahead, integrate Power Automate with that, and then you will be able to do the automations. Okay. Similarly, you want to embed the visualization in Power Apps. So you can create a Power BI report embedded into Power Apps, and then your Power Apps will be the centralized application for that. Okay. So all these things we will be covering. So yeah, so this is about Power Platform. So this is the snapshot that I had in the PPT. Like it is a little, I would say, older. So you go ahead and search on the Naukri and LinkedIn. So you will be getting a lot of opportunities available there. Okay. So then what is Power Platform Developer? Again, I will not beat the bush around multiple times. You already know what is Power Platform now. So it has Dataverse, AI, builder capabilities, and data connectors, right? Then what are the roles and responsibilities of the Power Platform developer? So you will design the application, develop the application, test the application, deploy the application, maintain the application, and you will do the collaboration among teams and your users to use the application. Okay. So again, like this product is found by Microsoft. So I guess Microsoft needs no introduction. And this is one of the reason why like it is very much trustable, right? Trusted thing in the market is because of the brand also. Okay. So now guys, what we will be covering here at KSR Data Vision, where we can help you in your Power Platform journey. So we will be providing you approximately 100 hours of relevant content. It will be approximately 80 sessions. It will be almost 6+ real-time projects. And the one thing that I'm very proud of, like we will be able to provide you the license that no one will be providing in the market. Okay. So you will be getting 1 year license of Power Platform product, which you can go ahead, use it to build your projects. Okay. And you will be getting your license in the account that we will be created by us with this domain name. Like suppose your name is Rohan. So you will be getting Rohan at the rate ksrconsultantservices.com. So this will be the organizational account that you will be getting once you will enrolled. Okay. And you will be getting the interview guidance. Again, like I will also take at the end of the course the interview sessions, and we have bi-weekly placement sessions also that you can go ahead and join. Those are placement cell sessions. Then CV preparation assistance that I will give you. Then soft skills like how to present your answers in front of interviewers. Then we have some tie-ups in the companies. Then we can refer you also in those organizations. Okay. So this is all about KSR, like where we will be helping you. Now, like there are the few other courses that we offer, like if you have interest in Azure data engineering or full stack Power BI or data science with Gen AI, AWS data engineer, or Power Platform dev. So like, so if you want any query on anything, so these are the numbers of our team. You can go ahead, call us on these numbers and get all the information which you need. So yeah. So that is it from my end. Like this is what I have planned for the day. So now I will stop here, and if you have any doubts, you can go ahead. And the timing of the classes will be, guys, 7:30 to, sorry, my bad. It is 8 to 9:30. Okay. It is 8 to 9:30. And now, like, let me walk you guys through few other stuff also. And then I will take all the questions at once. So we have these many modules in the course. Let me show you the modules first thing first. This is my Power Platform plan. So Power BI module, where we will be covering desktop and service. Power Automate, cloud and desktop. Power Apps module, Canvas apps, Dataverse, model-driven apps. And this is different module now, Power Pages. Then Microsoft Copilot Studio. Then Power Platform Admin Center and basic SQL and Excel manipulation. And project we will be building along with each module. Okay. And this is the day-wise plan that we have. Okay. And this is the internal plan that I follow for the sessions where we have every topic listed. Okay, so this is all about this, and let me go ahead and let me show you the workspaces also, the projects that we have built. And in my evening batch, like now, I guess it is about to end, and the people have created the homework projects. So, guys, they have raised the bar this time, like they have created very good projects. So, I'm expecting that after acquiring the skills, you will go ahead and you will also show me your creativity by creating very good apps. Okay. So these are few model driven apps that we have created. These are few canvas apps that we have created. So this is a recently created app, expense management app. View expense request. Edit. Delete. Cancel. Bulk assign. So all these things we created from very scratch, guys. So you will be seeing it how to create. This is canvas app, and then this is the model driven app. So how it works, like we will be creating one canvas app in the class, then one you have to create in the homework. Then similarly, we will be creating one model driven app in the class, and then you have to create one in the homework. Okay. So this is how the model driven apps will look like. Here you can see like we have embedded our Power BI dashboard. Then we have embedded the Canvas apps. So all the integrations we have done. So look here what it is loading. It is loading the Power BI, right? So for this account, I don't have license. So that's why like it is, I'm not able to view, but I will be showing you in the power course how to embed here. Okay, so we are covering all the integrations also which are available across Power Platform. So this is how it is. So now if you have any doubts, you can go ahead, guys.
So do we get the recordings for all the classes? And
Yep.
is there any validity for the recording?
Yeah, so you will be getting the recording access for 1 year.
1 year.
Yeah.
Okay. Then may I know like is there any competitors in the market for this Microsoft Power Platform products for building app for all the competitors?
Yeah, so basically low code, no code as it's a different market altogether. So there are various competitors like Salesforce is also there. Then you have Pega, right? And then you have
Okay.
OutSystems. But the issue with those competitors are those might be solving only for apps, okay? Might be solving for only one particular problem. But Power Platform is solving and for a bigger problem, right? Because here
Okay.
you have this solution for everything. Okay. And that's why it has huge acceptance in the market. So Power Platform is the leader in low code, no code.
Okay. Okay, sir. So then my last question, like may I know like what is CRM means like coming from non-tech? I couldn't understand that CRM
CRM
concept.
stands for customer relationship management. Like suppose as you're from non-tech background, right? So suppose you are going to buy a car.
Okay.
Okay. You are going to buy a car. So you went ahead and you submitted a quote. Okay.
Yeah.
So now this is what for car companies, it's a lead, right?
Yeah.
Like you can, like you might buy a car. So now this lead will get converted into opportunity for them once you will go ahead and visited the showroom, right? So
Yeah.
you will visited the showroom, you have booked the car. So now it become a opportunity for them to sell the car, right? So
Yeah.
now once they will sell you, so that opportunity will be closed and they will be getting revenue from you, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is how, like, if you want to solve for these business problems, so you will solve using can this CRM. Okay, so CRM is nothing like if I now if I move to the technical stuff. So in technical stuff, we was discussing about model driven apps, right?
Yeah.
So it is nothing what it is model driven app only, but the main thing is like if I tell you in very layman terms, like it is similar to model driven app is building a house and CRM is buying a house.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So like if I go more, I would say deeper into this. So for building a house, the material required is same only, right? It you will be
Okay.
building from scratch. But for
Okay.
buying a house, you will be getting a ready-made house which you can customize as per your needs, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
So CRM is nothing what it's model driven app only that you will be getting out of the box, but you can customize it as per your business needs.
Okay. So done. Got it. Yeah.
Got it?
Yeah. Thank you.
Cool.
Indra, here you have mentioned this tie-up companies. So what does that mean?
Sorry, tie-up companies.
Yeah.
So tie-up companies means like KSR Data Vision have tie-up with few consultancies and companies which we can go ahead and refer you.
Okay, this is after the completion of course.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah, before it does not make sense also, right? Even if we will refer you will be able to clear the interviews.
correct. And also the placement cell, you said it will be weekly wise. So how does it
Yeah,
work?
bi-weekly, I guess it is. So
Okay.
basically, suppose you need some, you're not getting calls. You want to optimize your Naukri profile. So you can go ahead, join those sessions and get it clarified.
Okay. Okay, fine. Yeah, got
Okay.
it.
And
Yeah.
guys, I want to take this opportunity and like tell you about the few recent placements that we had from the current ongoing evening batch. Although evening batch will end on 29 August, but as of now, 3 4 people are already placed. So there was a guy called as Ramesh. I think you will, if you will go ahead and follow us, me and KSR Data Vision on LinkedIn, so you will be getting to know from there. Okay. So Ramesh was a technical support guy. So now he had cracked multiple offers in Power Platform development. Now he got around 120% hike, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Then there is one more guy called Arman. So he also got good offers and good hike. Okay. When I say good hike, it is more than, I would say 50 60%. Okay. Then there is one more student of mine, Lavanya. She also got good hikes with multiple offers. Okay, and there are like multiple people who got the what to say placements from all the batches. So I'm expecting like you will also put all the efforts which is required, and then you can get whatever you want from your career. Okay.
So I have one question. I mean, these Canvas app look like this. I mean, these UI after developing. Like, I mean, as we develop any other app with the code of Angular or React something, so the UI is different. So these Power Platform UI will look like this. I mean, for creating any app.
Look like this.
I
This is
mean,
what?
just like something like card operation or something like which you have shown. It is add or delete or
Yeah.
filter.
So
Yeah.
Irfan, like while in the classes, UI is the least priority for me because I want to tell you the functionalities, right? So UI, you will go ahead in the project, you can go ahead and take the what to say consideration the UI part. Okay. Why? Because we will be having 1.5 hour session, right? So there the main thing is to let you understand the functionalities, the capabilities, right? So once it is done, so then in the project you will be going ahead and taking care of all the UI stuff,
Okay.
like by adding very nice pictures, right? And all the stuff. So basically, like in evening batch that is going to finish on 29 August. So there people have created very good, I would say, shopping websites also, shopping apps. Okay. So I will see, like I have a session with them today. I will see and I'll get the apps shared with me and I'll try to show you guys those tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyone else? Anything?
I have one question, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
Santosh.
yeah, like in the recent era, like in AI and AI era, how these low code platforms are going to work? I mean, is there any near future danger, a red flag for this platform and this industry?
Yeah, Santosh, this is already, I would say, the optimized stuff, right? It is already AI. Like you're not doing the redundant stuff. Like you're not writing the HTML, CSS code for smaller things, right? So AI, what it is doing, it is automating the stuff, right? It is, I would say, if I will say in one line, like it is letting us get rid of the redundant stuff, right? So here
Yeah,
in Power Platform already that thing is done, okay? And it is, I would say, the byproduct of AI only, right? Where you can go ahead and
right.
use AI Builder and Copilot Studio, right? So all those things you can do. So it
Yeah.
has already the AI capabilities. So I think while learning this, you are going into that direction only.
So Power BI is almost like killing the market, right? Power BI is not people are not using that much, right?
Yeah, Power BI, to be honest, like the people like back in 2020 or 2021, what was the shortcut to get enter in the power, this IT industry? Learn Power BI,
Yeah,
SQL, and you
yeah,
will become data analyst, right? But now that is not the case. And I feel that's why most of you are there, right?
correct.
Most of you are here with me in Power Platform, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, like the for IT, nothing is consistent, right? But for Power Platform, like it is what I can say, like for next 5 to 10 years, it is not going anywhere.
So Power BI is also required to learn this Power Automate. I mean,
No, 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 nothing is required. Every module is, I would say, independent of each other.
okay,
So if you want to learn Power BI also, so you can go ahead and be with me. So I will tell you guys Power BI as a last module of the course.
okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah, thank you.
thanks. Anyone else? Guys, use this opportunity to ask any question related to the course, related to us, because tomorrow
Yeah.
we will be starting with Canvas apps. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, Vignesh.
So what will be the sequence of this course? Like it will be like Power App, Automate, Power BI. The flow will be like that,
Yeah.
or
So let me show you that thing also.
yeah.
Let me open the plan that I refer for the classes so that I'm not missing on anything. So we will be starting from here. Okay? Canvas apps, these many sessions. Okay? Then we will be starting with Dataverse and model driven apps. Okay. Then Power Pages. Okay. Then Power Automate Cloud. Then Power Automate Desktop. Then Copilot Studio. Then Admin Center, frequently asked interview questions. And then for you guys, Power BI module. Okay. Clear?
Okay, sir. So Power BI comes at last, right?
Yeah, it comes at last.
Okay.
Basically, it comes at first also and it comes at last also. So how it happens, let me show you. So it is little, I would say it might confuse you. So that's why I will show you with the timeline. Okay. Is my screen visible? Are you able to see the white screen?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So you have module one, you have module two, you have module three, module four, module five. Okay. Suppose these many modules you have. So module one is Power BI, suppose Power Apps. Then you have, let me write from here, miscellaneous stuff. Then Copilot Studio. Then you have Power Automate.
Automate.
And here itself, I will write Power Pages. Okay. So basically, how it works at KSR Data Vision. So we start the batch from here, Power BI. But there are few people, okay, who don't want to learn Power BI at all. Because like here also, like in our class, we already have some people who don't want to learn Power BI. They will say we are already expert in Power BI. Okay. So what will happen? Some people will join here at the start of the batch itself in the Power BI. So I already have around 30 plus people who joined here in Power BI module. So now for them, this will be the second module. Okay. And this will be the third module. This will be the fourth module and this will be the fifth module. So for them, the course will end here. Okay. So now for the you guys who will be joining here on Power Apps. So for you, this will be the module one. This will be module two. This will be module three. This will be module four and Power BI will be module five. Clear? So
Yes, sir.
basically, in any case, we are not skipping Power BI. It's just the, what to say, the occurrence of module is changing.
Indra, one more doubt. Actually, in July 24 or 25, one batch started. So I joined only for the trial session. So for them, it is a module one, right?
July 24.
Ah,
Is it my session?
yeah. Same time, 8 o'clock.
No, no. 8 o'clock. So we started for this batch only. Previously, I used to take at 7:30.
No, I attended 5 session, the trial session.
Are you sure it was me?
Yes,
Yeah,
Vijay, same batch.
yeah, Indra. Same batch only. Okay.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah, yeah. Vijay, I know like you was enrolled student also, right? If I'm not correct.
Yeah, actually, I joined, but I couldn't continue due to some reason. I have informed Satish also. So I wanted to start from Power Apps now.
Yeah,
So,
that's fine. You
yeah.
can start.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember now correctly. Like you was enrolled student and you was in the morning batch.
Yes, yes.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Correct.
Hi, Indra.
Hi, Dinesh.
Can we get that Excel sheet that you provided, right? You are showing
Yeah, so
some all the
basically
concepts.
once you will be getting that the entire 90-day plan and module. So once you will enroll, you will be getting it and it is available on our website also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you please show what and all concepts covering in Power Pages?
Yeah, Power Pages, Dinesh, we are covering everything end to end. So let me show you. We are covering introduction licensing, forms, Power Pages, adding form in Power Pages, configuring form, table permissions, iframe, video, text, spacer, hyperlink button, multi-line form, making fields required from Power Apps, Power BI integration with Power Pages, list in Power Pages, breadcrumb, flex container, and security. Right from introduction to security.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Cool.
Uh, just a final question from me.
Yes, yes.
I'm having a few points which I've collected from Naukri.com, like while searching for Power Platform developers. So they have asked these qualifications from the candidate. So I'll
Mhm.
just read through those points and want to make sure whether we'll be covering these topics in our classes.
Yes,
Is
yes.
that
Go
is that
ahead.
fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So the first point is strong knowledge of Microsoft 365 ecosystem and integration capabilities, Dynamic 365, CRM and
Mhm.
third-party data sources. And second
Okay.
point is familiarity with the JSON and REST APIs, and
Okay.
strong experience with the SharePoint Online, Microsoft Dataverse, and custom connectors, and
Okay.
experience with the Power Apps integration with the Azure APIs, Azure Logic Apps, and Azure Functions REST service.
Okay.
So yeah, that's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Look, so the JD that you're getting, it is for Power Platform plus Cloud plus CRM developer. Okay. So
Yeah.
basically, we will be covering, you mentioned about custom connectors and connecting
Yeah.
with other data sources, right? So all
Yes.
those things we will be covering here. Okay. And you
Okay.
mentioned about integrating with Azure APIs. So
Yeah.
we will not be integrating with Azure, but I will be telling you like how to interact with the APIs. So if you know how to interact with the APIs, so then you will be interact with any API, right? Let it be Google API, let it be Azure API, let it be Amazon API, right? So the process
Yeah.
will be similar. Okay.
Yes.
And what was the third thing?
JSON, right?
Yeah. So
Familiarity
JSON
with
is
JSON.
nothing what when you will interact with API, the response that you will get, it will be in the JSON format.
Okay. Okay. Right. And Microsoft 365 ecosystem,
Yeah, so
Dynamic
they are talking
365.
about integrations. So how you
Okay.
will integrate the Microsoft 365 in ecosystem. So that's why, like in the course, like how we have planned, we will be creating your what to say Canvas app on SharePoint, okay, and model
Okay.
driven app on Dataverse, so that you are getting that proper blend of working with multiple data sources and integration among the ecosystem. And you
Yeah.
will be sending various automatic emails also from Canvas apps. So that is what you are integrating with the system. Okay.
Uh, Okay, sir. I got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So I would say to each one of you, like this is the least thing that you have to worry about, like what we will be covering and all, how we will be integrating. Okay. So only thing that you have to worry is like you have to take out the time, practice and implement. Okay. Everything I will give you end to end, like this is not, I would say, the fake promises that I'm doing or something which is like which will not be implemented on reality. I have already implemented it for quite a longer time now, and we got very positive feedbacks from the people. And I'm hoping like you, for you also, it will be very good experience. So it's just like you have to give me around 3.5 to 4 months and you will see the change. Okay,
Okay, Indra.
cool.
Yeah, Indra. Hello.
Hi Shiva.
Yeah. Hi. So I have minimal knowledge on Power Apps. I mean, so I was like on and off attending the interviews. So in one of the interview, they ask what is containers in Power Apps. I mean, so I'm never aware of containers. So just I want just be layman in layman knowledge. I mean, so I want to know what is containers in Power Apps. Is it a new concept?
Container is nothing, Krishna, like you are already attending interviews, right? And you are saying like containers and all.
Mm-hmm.
So are you able to see my container? See my calendar?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes.
5, 10, 15. Wait till here, 5th August. You will be knowing every concept in Power Apps, in Canvas apps. Go to any interview, you will be able to answer all the questions almost. Okay. So containers, basically it is nothing more. It is available in a Canvas app to achieve the, what to say, the functionality called as responsive apps. Okay. And I would not want to go deeper into
Oh,
that because I don't want to confuse others. Okay.
okay.
So this is the deadline that I'm giving you. So
Okay.
you can keep it marked on your calendar and then you can let me know and on that day if something else that was asked to you is not covered. Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay. Is both are same component and containers are same, Indra?
No, no, different.
Different. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, hi, this is Pranit.
Yeah, Praneeth.
So can you coming to application life management? So what type of deployments you are telling? Like there are many type of deployments like manual and power
Both,
pipelines and Azure.
both,
So,
both manual as well as automatic. I will be explaining you both.
power pipelines also there, right? So you were explaining this thing also.
Yeah, Praneeth. Like you, there are people from previous batch, work by previous batch. What I means, module one, like who have already attended the Power BI module. So there also we have covered the deployment pipelines because in Power BI you have different deployment pipelines also, right?
Yeah.
So there also we covered and we will cover here also.
Good. Thank
Okay. Anyone else? No doubts. So all the people like who have attended the Power BI module. So guys, your backlogs are cleared. Indrajit, Satyajit,
Yes, Indrajit, backlogs are clear.
cleared.
Yes, sir.
Ready for the new thing?
Yeah,
And have you guys created the Power BI reports that we discussed?
yeah, almost done. It's few things remaining. Will be complete by tomorrow.
The Power BI report for project.
Yeah, yes.
Okay, very good. Try to complete everything, and tomorrow we will be kickstarting the Power Apps module. So I don't want you to go ahead with the backlogs. Okay. Cool. So anyone else, guys? Any doubts? Ajay, Ankush, Anusha. Anusha is already previous student. Mehul, Irfan, Naveen, Parneet.
No, sir.
Cool. All good then. So, guys, we can end the class here. Let's meet again tomorrow at the same time and let's start with the first module, right? Power apps.
Yeah.
Cool. So, thank you everyone. It was nice interacting with you, and I hope like you got all the answers which were there. So, if you still have something, let's meet again tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Have a good day ahead.
Thank you, Indra.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Indra. Bye.
Thanks. Bye bye.